Hello everyone. In this lecture video, I'll be talking about the promoter of eukaryotic gene. There are three types of RNA polymerases involved in eukaryotic: RNA polymerase 1, RNA polymerase 2 and 3. Now we are going to study in detail the promoter for each of these different RNA polymerases. Now in this slides, I'll be talking about the promoter for RNA polymerase 1. In case of RNA polymerase 1, the promoter mainly consists of two sequence components. One is the core promoter and the second one is the upstream promoter element. The core promoter, it is mainly present around the start point and it is reached in GC sequence except at the particular position where it is 80 reach sequence is present around the start point, and this is known as initiator. It is denoted by INR. Now the efficiency of this promoter is increased by the presence of upstream promoter element. It is the another GC reach sequence and it is it is present at around -107 to -180 region, and this type of organization it is present in many of the promoter of the RNA polymerase 1. Now let's talk about the promoters for RNA polymerase 2. Basically, the promoters for RNA polymerase 2 are of two types. One, which contains the Tata box, that is the core promoter containing Tata sequence, and the second promoter, that is the Tata-less core promoter. We are going to study one by one. Now most of the time the first base it is of mRNA, it is to be adenine, and which is flanked on either side by the pyrimidine, and this region is known as initiator. It is denoted by INR, and it is basically it is present at the position of -3 to +5. And another point is that many of the promoter, they have the sequence which is called as the Tata box, and it is usually located at around -25 base pair upstream of the start point, and it constitutes the only upstream promoter element which has got a relatively fixed location with respect to the start point. And this core sequence is the TAA. It is almost identical to the -10 consensus sequence which is present in the bacterial promoter. Now let's see about the core promoter. Promoter which do not contains the Tata box. See, you can see over here, this is without Tata element, and this is known as the Tata-less promoter. Most of the promoters, or the 50% or greater than 50% of promoters are without Tata element. When promoter does not contain Tata box, then it usually consists of another element, and that is known as the downstream promoter element, that is DPE, which is located at which is located at +28 to +32 site. A core promoter can consist of either the Tata box plus initiator, this is the one type or type of promoter, or initiator and the DPE, that is the downstream promoter element. Now I'll focus on the promoter for RNA polymerase 3. This for RNA polymerase 3, there are three types of promoter. Again, these three different types are classified into two groups. The first two known as the internal promoter. Now this type 1 promoter, it is get characterized by the presence of box A and box C sequence, whereas type 2 promoter, it consists of box A and box B, whereas the type 3 promoter, It does not have the sequence which is there as we have studied in type 1 and type 2. Rather, all the sequences which are present in promoter 3, they are all present in the upstream of the start point, that and it is get characterized by the presence of data element, PSC sequence and OCT sequence. Thus, in this video, we have studied the structure of promoter of each type of RNA polymerase. Thank you.